So see this model. So this is one of the models that will be asked every year in your competitive examinations, whether it may be SSC, banking or whatever. So this is very easy to solve. So here you are asked to find the value of 10 power what. So here convert every single term into 10 power as much as possible. So here already you have 10 power 3. So write that as that is into, so 100, what is 100? 100 is 10 power 2, the whole cube, into, so this is 9999, which is nothing but 10,000 minus 1, right? So here you have plus 1, that is equal to 10 power x. So here we go, 10 power 3 into 10 power 6 into, this is 10 power 4 minus 1 bed, plus 1 gets cancelled, 10 power x. So altogether 10 power 13 is equal to 10 power x. That implies x is equal to 13. So this is one of the questions that will be asked every year. So the second pattern is something. So before looking into the second example, let's see a trick for solving the this kind of problems. Okay, so what trick is that? So square of a number and multiplication of any two-digit numbers. So square of a number, square of any number. Suppose if you take the square of let me consider 23 square. So 23 square, it's very easy for you to calculate any square of any number, okay, whether it may be 3-digit or 2-digit. So this one trick applies for every number. So you need not memorize you need not restrict this rule for any number. This can be applied to every 2-digit and 3-digit number. You can use your calculator and you can check this out. So listen carefully. Here you have 2 and 3. Split 2 and 3. What is 3 square? 3 square is 9, right? So you have to write as 09. Always remember you should write it as 2-digit only. So 09. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. Always you should write this as 04. Okay. So here you have to remember one thing here. What's that? 2 into 3 into 2. So you have to multiply everything. Otherwise you can remember as 2 into 3 and you have to double the value. Whatever is convenient for you, just remember the trick. The trick is 2 into 3 into 2. So what is 2 into 3? 6. 6 into 2? 12. So you have to write 12 here. Okay. So 9250. Therefore 23 square is 529. Similarly, if I take a 3-digit number, say 233, okay, 233. What is 233? So now, what is 233 square? It will be very difficult for you to find 233 square. So what you have to do is, you have to split 233 like this, and you have to say 3 square is 9, 09. What is 23 square? 23 square is, we have already found out as 529, right? So now you have to multiply everything. There is 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 into 3, that is 18. 18 into 2, 36, right? So 18 into 2 is 36. So you have to write 36 here. Always remember you should start writing the number from leaving a digit, and then you have to start right. Okay, that is one of the thing you have to remember. So add 9, 6, 10, 12, remaining 1, 3, 5. Check it out using your calculator. It will be all correct. Okay, so this is one of the trick you have to remember while solving any question, any simplification question. So another one trick I have. So 23 into 23 we have easily found out as 529. Now if you have 23 into 33, how can you find out? That is very easy. Okay, so trick number 2 is multiplication of two different two-digit numbers. Okay, so 23 into 33. Suppose you are given like this, how can you find this out easily? Now 23 into 33. So there are 3 steps. Just remember 3 steps to solve this within seconds. So you need not consume time for solving this kind of multiplication while doing simplification problems. Okay, so the first one is always start with ones. Okay, so once, just multiply this. What if you multiply 3 into 3? 3 3s are 9. So write 9. Then 23 into 33. Just multiply this and this. What is this? 2 3s are 6 plus 3 3s are 9. That is 9. So 6 plus 9, which is 15. So 15, for 15 you have to write only 5. Okay, so 5 here, remaining you have 1. And the third step is you are completed multiplying ones in the first step. So last steps should be finished with multiplying the tens. Okay, what if you multiply 2 into 3? 2 3s are 6. Already you have 1 here. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 759 will be your answer. So this is very useful for solving any simplification problem. Always remember this. Okay, now let's see previous year questions with using this trick. Okay, look at this problem. So 225.3 into 3. What is 225.3 into 3? 3 3s are 9, remaining 15, remaining 1. 6 7, 2 3s are 6. So 675.9. So I can take this as 676, right? So always remember Bode's rule. Okay, should not forget this. According to this only you have to solve the problem. First bracket. So the whole power 1 by 2, which is nothing but we have to find the square root of 676. Plus also you have a trick for solving finding square root of number. First you have to learn step by step. Okay, first learn some tricks. Do not confuse every tricks, and then you will end up in forgetting everything, and then you'll end up in consuming time in examination and so far. So first learn the trick very thoroughly, practice it, work out it, then you can learn next tricks. Okay, first this is easy for you to say the 676 square, right? It's very easy. So let me tell you. Now cancel this. 18 is 8, then 0 9, 109 the whole square. So here you have 3-digit number the whole square, plus 731 plus what? So let me take this as x. Now 676 square root, what it will be? I think this is very easy for you to find. 2 3 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, 2 1 2 is 2, remaining 1 6 9. Here 13 into 13. So 13 2s are 26. So 26 square is 676. I know many of you have already known the value of 626. That is 26 square is 676 plus now 109 the whole square. So there are 2 ways of solving this 109 the whole square. The one way is what I taught you. If you learn that trick, you can solve the square of any 2-digit and 3-digit number. So always remember one trick. Okay, that's when you won't end up in forgetting the tricks in examination and avoiding the complications. So now what I told you, 109 the whole square, always split this into 2. 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So 10 9s are 90. So 90 into 2, that is 180. You have to write always like this, 180. So add 811. So this square is 109 square is 11881 is equal to 731 plus x. Now what is plus 26, which is 7 10, remaining 1 9 119. So 11907 is equal to 7371 plus x. Therefore x is equal to 11907 minus 7371, right? 6. This is 10 minus 8 minus 3 5. 11 minus 7 4, right? So x is equal to 4536 will be your answer. Okay, so another one question is there. Let's see what is that. Look at this problem. This is one of the familiar questions asked in your examinations. So when you are given like this, always try to solve a bracket separately and another bracket separately and then cumulatively add the values. Then it will be easy for you to solve the question. Okay, so the first bracket is this one, right? 6.5% of 375. So I can write this as 6.5 by 100 into 375. So that is equal to, what is that? So now multiply this 375 and 65. So what is 375 into 65? Okay, when you multiply this, what will you get? 25, 35, 37, 3, 15, 18, 30, 45, 18. Now you'll get 24375. So now the decimal points. So for 100 you have to take 2 points. So 1, 2, then 1 point here. So 1 will come here. Therefore 24.375. Therefore 6.5% of 375 is 24.375. Similarly, we have to find 0.85% of 230. So 0.85 by 100 into 230. So here you can use the trick. What trick we have learned? Crisscross method of multiplying two different two-digit numbers. So what is the trick we have learned? So we have to multiply this. 5 3s are 15, 15 5, remaining 1 will be there. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5 2s are 10, plus you have 1 here, so 1. Therefore 24 plus 10 is 34, 34 plus 1 is 35, 35 you have to take 5, remaining 3 will be there. Now 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19. Therefore 1955 is your square. Already you have a 0 here, so put 0. So the points 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, that is equal to 1.955. So now substitute these values in the question. Already we have learned that if you are given some problems like this, you have to solve this bracket separately and this bracket separately and then cumulatively write the answers, and it will be very easy for you to solve the question. 75 minus 1.955 is equal to x. So 375, 955.1, right? 0, 2, here 10, 13, 4 will come, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2. Therefore x is equal to 22.420. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found useful. Thank you.